So hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Faye's Kitchen once again, and please remember, please hit the subscribe button and your notification button for more videos. So today we're going to make our blood pressure drink. If you have a patient struggling with blood pressure, you have blood pressure, this drink works wonders to manage your blood pressure. And the ingredients are, we have our celery. Yeah, we have our apples, as you can see them, our cucumber and ginger. Yeah, so we're going to peel our beetroot. Yeah, so the ingredients once again, beetroot and apple, celery and ginger. So peeling our beetroot, I'm going to use half. Yeah. And then we're going to cut our into pieces. Peeling our apple also, just very slightly. So we cut these into pieces. And we're going to put them into the blender now. We're going to cut our celery into pieces also. So this is the process of putting them into the blender. Yeah, so we cut our celery. Into pieces, we cut it into pieces and we put it into the blender also. Put that into the blender. And after, we're going to cover this and then blend. We cover, we're adding some little bit of water. And we cover, and then we're going to blend this. So after blending our juice is ready, and now we are going to sieve it with a sieve. Yeah. So we pour in our juice, as you can see, and then we sieve it. But these are also very nutritious, so you can eat that gravy out of it. It's very, also very nutritious. But major point here, we need the juice out. Yeah. And after we pour it into a glass, and our blood pressure drink is ready. Yeah, so our blood pressure drink is ready for you to take. That's it for today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much.